So today we are out house hunting and we have a little bit of time before the first open house. So we are stopping off at one of our favourite places to visit out here in Tyabb, which is the Tyabb Packing House Antiques. And it is a huge warehouse full of gorgeous stuff and different stalls of antiques and vintage clothing and fabrics and haberdashery and all sorts. So we have half an hour. We're going to duck in and see what they have. So my husband's trying to lead me away. This is what I came to show you. I will have to come back when I have a bit more time. Oh, look. I seriously love this place. Buttons galore. Right. So this is one of the other cool vintage places in Tyabb. Definitely worth checking out. This place actually had some really excellent 70s music playing in the background, but unfortunately I had to edit it out for copyright reasons. Another one. This is a new antiques place in Tyabb that we haven't yet been to. The Bellows. Yeah, that's awesome. One person's junk is another person's treasure. Oh, it's an old brick machine. It's an old vacuum cleaner, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Isn't it amazing?
It
is awesome.
It's so cool.
And it's got the old vintage flame light on the back.
That's awesome.
So this is the Vintage Shed complex of vintage and antiques places. It's another very busy, very popular place, and this is the main shed. But over here behind me, that all used to be vintage and retro clothing, but apparently it's completely changed now, so we have to check that out. I can hear my husband making noises, positive noises, so there must be something good. What you found? Ooh!
Yeah.
I think it's quite good.
Yeah, it's quite
I'm
smart.
not sure I'm fond of the colour of the basket, but I do like that the other bit's painted black. Quanto? 45. Yeah. I do quite like that big vase though.
These?
Mm.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah. And this?
We don't need a tape dispenser. So this place is made up, well, most of the places are made up of individual stalls. So obviously someone rents out a stall and they put all of their wares on display and they have set their own prices, and I'm assuming that the shed takes a cut or just charges them rent. But it means that there's a pretty diverse and terrifying collection sometimes. So these were the baskets that I buy for my projects, and they were on sale at the Emu Plains Market, but you can always get them here as well. I won't show you the whole shed because it is huge and there's so much to see. So you'll just have to come for yourself. If you can. It goes on.
So we are now over in the other section of the vintage shed where they used to have all of the vintage and retro clothing. They have done such a big job in clearing this all out and it looks so different. So I'm looking forward to exploring this space.
Okay, I found my section. I was getting a little worried because this place is a bit too clean and organized, but this is totally my bag. Coat buttons. Ouch. I'm gonna have a rummage.
Thank you so much for joining us while we toured the vintage sheds in Tyabb. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you live in the area, do stop by and check these places out. See you next time.